Now, my channel does say coins and collectibles, so I've bought this box of collectibles, probably tat. It weighs 9.5 kilos, which is about 20 pounds of weight, and I paid £7.95 delivery. Well, I paid £8 for the delivery charge. It's about 18 inches high by 18 by 12. I expected something about that size to turn up, but that turned up. Right, let's get in there then. It was £26 plus the delivery. Right, got some packaging. Probably the best thing in there. Now I know there's some coins in here, and that's why I bought it. Alright, let's have a look. Is that a phone? It's got a British Legion sticker on it. Oh, there we are. Doro 6030. That's got to be worth a couple of grand on its own, hasn't it? Oh, it does open up. Look at that. Probably 10 pence. It's in nice condition. If you know anything about old mobile phones, let me know. Oh, there's a watch there. Oh, it's going and it's correct. There you go, my old trusty clock up there. Only a cheap old watch, but at least it works. I'm going to move the box to one side and get everything out one at a time and put on the table. Next thing is this, some sugar tongs. There's something there. Wesleyan Church, Keswick. It's in the Lake District. EPNS of electroplated nickel silver. A1. Can't really read that. Can you read what that says? Alright, nice little pair of sugar tongs. And right next to it was another pair. Has that got anything on it? Oh yeah. EPNS again, electroplated nickel silver. Go with that one. Right, what on earth we got here? Oh dear. If this video is total tat, I won't even bother uploading it.
You will.
Anyway, what we got here? Oh, weightlifter. Now, what are these? Go for gold. 1980 Moscow Olympics. Smith's, thank you for helping the British Olympic team. Oh, is that Smith's Crisps? Could it be that? Weightlifting. Field events. Equestrian. Gymnastics. Rowing. Yachting. Oh, I like these. Don't know what they're made of though. Track events. Judo. One more. What's this? Diving and swimming. Aquatics. Anybody knows anything about them? Stick it in the comments. And there. What is that? Ooh. Say anything on that? No. I've got no idea what that is. So, do you know what that is? No idea. I'll put that there for now. Grab something else. I know it says a lot of these little things, little boxes. There's probably nothing in them. Nah, nothing of value there. Nothing in it either. There's a little bag of coins, but they all look like foreign coins to me. Most of them are Saudi Arabian coins. There's a George VI one there. Oh, it's a Canada. 1945. Is that 5 cents? I'll put them back in the bag for now. Put them down there. What's next then? Little letter opener. What's that? Mother of pearl? Looks like it, doesn't it? mother of pearl handle, another electroplated silver. Yep, it's quite old, I should think. Next we have got this. Right, it's a spoon, obviously some kind of spoon, but what would you use that for? Don't know what you'd use that for. Stay bright, it says there. Can't really read the other writing. Hands up who's bored already. Did you just put your hand up then? Right, next. What is that? Right, it's obviously some kind of measuring device, isn't it? But it's quite small. What would you use that for? Some kind of scoop. I can't see any markings on it. Alright, what's this? Oh, that feels very light, this thing. I don't think there's much there. Oh, just a little jewellery box thing. Not even scraped the surface yet. And the next. A key ring. What's that? St. Christopher. Oh, it's a sixpence holder. Ah, sixpence holder. Look at that. I've got a pound coin one. Sixpence. Let's get some sixpences and put in it. Got some sixpences here. I wonder how many it holds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Feels like it's going to be 10. Yep, 10. No, more. 11. That's about it, I think. Might get 12 in there if I'm lucky. 12. Solid now. So you got 12 sixpences. So that's 6 shillings. 6 bob you could take about with you on your little key ring. And 6 shillings is equal to 30p in today's money. That's a nice little thing. I'm keeping that. Right, what we got here? Oh, it's got a farthing in it. 1948 farthing with a little wren there. So that'll be George VI. Tiny little knife. So getting stones out your shoes or something like that, probably. It's quite old. I wonder if it's actually from 1948. Yeah, it could be, couldn't it? Now, I did notice there were some old maps. It looks like they're down there. So let's grab one of those. I think it's that. Oh, it's not a map, is it? Yes, it is. AA Thoroughway Maps of London, showing landmarks scale 1 1/8 inches to 1 mile, and of the home counties scale 4 miles to 1 inch. And someone has written 1931 on there. Well, it's pretty much falling to bits. That's all come away. It's going to be difficult to film it. But I shall put that together, because I'm interested in things like that, and my son is interested in things like that. Quick plug to my son's channel, Brick Dust. He does videos about the history of the local area. I'll put a link below. Go and subscribe to him. Andrew's his name. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can repair this. 1931. There it is. Look at that. And right down in that corner, it does say 1931. Price 4 shillings and 6pence. So you could pay with 9 of those sixpences and still have 3 left in there. What's this? A napkin ring? Oh, it's got some engraving on there. To commemorate the birthday of HRH Prince Henry, 15th of September 1984. A Prince Harry towel ring. Can't see any value in that. Little jewellery box there. Nothing in it. It's been screwed together there, look, rather than nails. Don't suppose it's much though. Laminated there. Got a nice little thing. Right, I'm going to make this video relatively short because I don't know whether people want to see this sort of thing or not. So please put in the comments whether you want me to carry on with this box in other videos or whether just say, no, go back to the coins. Right, that's it then for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.